Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2016 Dodge Grand Caravan and I will try to explain what a low fuel message means, even if the fuel tank is not low on gas. This video should apply to Dodge Grand Caravans made from 2011 all the way up to 2019. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel, or becoming a channel member. Okay, now first I will show you what happens. So every time I start the vehicle, there is a beeping sound and a low fuel message displayed here on the screen. So it should happen any moment now. Okay, there it is. So low fuel, and my fuel is obviously not low. Now this is the problem with the EVAP system, and I had this happening like 7 or 8 times, maybe even more, on these Dodge Grand Caravans. So this might apply even to other Dodge models, I'm not sure. But this points actually towards a problem with the fuel sending unit, which is attached to the fuel pump inside the gas tank. So what that means, unfortunately, on all of my minivans I had to replace the fuel pump to get rid of that message, because fuel level sending unit, what it does, it's kind of a sensor that's attached to the fuel pump, and then it reads the fuel level, and then if that sensor fails, this is what happens. It's not sending the correct information to the vehicle's computer, and then the vehicle's computer will display a low fuel message on your screen because it's getting the wrong info. And now this is the bad thing on these vehicles, because this is part of the fuel pump assembly, and complete fuel pump has to be replaced to fix it. On some other vehicles this comes as a separate piece, so it's easy replaceable, but on these ones I think you have to lower down the fuel tank, remove the fuel pump, replace the fuel pump, and install back everything in its place. But that's from my experience. You always want to dig a bit deeper into this message before just replacing the fuel pump. It's a good idea to scan the PCM, check for any other error codes and follow up on those. And also always you want to make sure to check the fuel tank, fuel gas cap, just because if there is a leak on the cap, or if it's not tight enough, it can cause this message to go on. Especially if you have any other codes, or if you have check engine light on coming with this error message, then you want to scan the PCM, because that might point to a problem with a different part of the EVAP system. But I'm just saying, my experience with this message is fuel pump replacement. I know this is not the news you wanted to hear, but yeah, that's what happened to me every time, and that's a quite common problem, especially like I live in a very cold climate, and when the temperature drops below -15, -20 Celsius, usually sensors start to fail, and this is one of the common things that fail on these minivans. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews, and other similar automotive topics.